Article 240 of the Indian Constitution grants the President of India the power to make regulations for the governance of certain union territories. Here's a detailed explanation of each subsection of Article 240. Article 240, 1. Power to make regulations. General provision. The President can make regulations for the peace, progress, and good government of the specified union territories. Specific union territories. This power applies to A. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, B. Lakshadweep, C. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, E. Puducherry. Proviso. Limitation on the President's power in certain circumstances. When legislature exists, if a legislative body is created under Article 239 of Puducherry, the President cannot make regulations for that union territory from the date the legislature holds its first meeting. When legislature is dissolved or suspended, if the legislature for Puducherry is dissolved or its functioning is suspended, the President regains the power to make regulations for its governance during the period of dissolution or suspension. Article 240. To legal effect of regulations. Repeal or amendment. Regulations made by the President can repeal or amend any act made by Parliament or any other law applicable to the Union territory. Force of law. Once promulgated, these regulations have the same force and effect as an act of Parliament applicable to that territory. Summary. Article 240 provides the President with the authority to directly govern certain union territories through regulations, especially in the absence of a functioning local legislature. These regulations have the power to override existing laws and are as effective as laws passed by Parliament. The Constitution of India. Part 8. The Union Territories. Article 240. Power of President to make regulations for certain union territories. 1. The President may make regulations for the peace, progress and good government of the Union Territory of A. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands, B. Lakshadweep, C. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, E. Puducherry. Provided that when any body is created under Article 239A to function as a legislature for the Union Territory of Puducherry, the President shall not make any regulation for the peace, progress and good government of that Union Territory with effect from the date appointed for the first meeting of the legislature. Provided further that whenever the body functioning as a legislature for the Union Territory of Puducherry is dissolved, or the functioning of that body as such legislature remains suspended on account of any action taken under any such law as is referred to in Clause 1 of Article 239A, the President may, during the period of such dissolution or suspension, make regulations for the peace, progress and good government of that Union Territory. 2. Any regulation so made may repeal or amend any act made by Parliament or any other law, which is for the time being applicable to the Union Territory and, when promulgated by the President, shall have the same force and effect as an act of Parliament which applies to that territory.